Hello everyone, it's Destiny and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm glammed up. And the reason why I'm glammed up is because I found something that I think is gonna leave the game shook. Do a little bit of a story time real quick. So I was in Target, just strolling around, walking, shopping with my cart. I was shopping, okay? And I was in the cosmetic section of Target and I came across this brand called Profusion. Now, I've heard of the brand before because I think I might have a few products from Profusion that I don't know how I acquired, but I have them. Never went out of my way to buy something from Profusion. So I didn't know they were an actual legit brand until I saw they had their own column in Target. There were several palettes and they were all really cheap. There were like a bunch of palettes with like a lot of colors in it, a lot of colors that I would use, and they were for like $10, $12. So the first one that I saw, which immediately caught my eye, is this one. It's called the Profusion Cosmetics Naturals. It's 24 eyeshadows. And this was just $9.99. And it does tell you like how to use the colors, but you ain't gotta worry about that. The Naturals palette, I feel like there was a glam one. I want to say there was like a sultry, like there were different types of, and they were the same 24 eyeshadows, but they were different themes, I guess. There was a highlight palette, which is, you know, for when you're beaming. There was a brow palette, there was a bronzer and contour palette. Like they had a bunch of palettes for like $10. And they also came with booklets, and they look like this. This is the Pro Face booklet. And why I call it a booklet, because it's like literally a book, right? And they have them for certain things. So this is Pro Face, so this focuses more on like everything that you would need for a face, so brows, eyes, cheeks, or whatnot. And there were others that were geared towards brows, again, geared towards highlight, geared toward contour. So I picked up the Naturals palette, and I picked up also the Pro Face palette, 32 pieces, so there's 20 eyeshadow colors. There's like 2 highlights, 3 blushes, 2 bronzers, and a brow wax and 2 brow colors. And it comes with 2 brushes here. This one is not mine, actually. It's my mom's, but I told her that I was gonna use it to do this review. So for this video, I'm just gonna use these 2 palettes and come up with this look that you see here. I'm going to be showing you how I use the product to get this look, and I'm also going to be telling you my thoughts. But before we do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button, because I know you're going to be shook like I was shook when I saw the amount of color payoff with these colors. It was Anastasia, Beverly Hills, who? Tarte Cosmetics, who? Fenty Beauty, who? So I've already color corrected, that's why my face is kind of like what, and I already did my brows, and I did my brows with in the Pro Face palette. I did it with like the brow stuff. It was a struggle to do my eyebrows, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a fan of powdered brows. The palettes do come with brushes, so I'm gonna use the brushes, but they don't come with a lot of brushes, so I might have to, you know, take some of my own to really finesse these looks. I see murder that, no limit, baby. See that ghetto D girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with the Naturals palette. What immediately attracted me to this palette was this color right here. It's like a burnt orange, and if you know me, I love burnt oranges, and this color is called Fearless, and I'm gonna take that color Fearless that I was talking about, and I'm gonna put that as a transition color. It has a lot of pigment to it, which I like. For a $10 palette, this is actually pretty kicking. Only thing that I would say upon first using this is that there is a lot of fallout. Like there's stuff falling off of my brush, and as I was dipping it into the actual color, it was falling out from there. I'm gonna take this color right next to Fearless. It's like a pink, like a burgundy maroon pink. This is the brush that came with the Pro Face palette. It looks like this. I'm gonna put a more into my outer corner and my inner corner.
anything, then I can knock it down all through the night.
So I'm gonna go into Pro Face Palette, and I'm going to take, it's called Bold, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Bold, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this color here, Creative. They're both kind of, this is more of a light taupe-ish brown, and this is a darker brown with some shimmer. So I'm gonna go back with the brush that came with the Pro Face palette, and I'm gonna go intensify my outer and inner corner. So I'm gonna take the color here, what is this, Daring? What I'm trying to do is, like, when I put my blush on, I kind of want the blush to blend into the eyeshadow so you don't know where the eyeshadow ends or starts. I think I'm gonna go back into the Naturals palette. I'm gonna take Cozy. I like to put colors together because I feel like for this look I want everything to kind of mesh well. So I'm gonna take this brown, Cozy, and I'm gonna take this brown with a tint of red, Outspoken, here, and we're gonna put that together, and I'm gonna put that in the crease, but focusing it on the outer corner of the crease. Smoke it like bacon. My No Filter concealer from ColourPop. I just did a video on this and love it, but we're gonna cut the crease. Gonna take Intense. I'm gonna take a little bit of Tickled, which is a gold shimmer, and just combine those two, and that's gonna be the color that goes on here. So now I'm gonna take my blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out above the cut crease. I don't really have any complaints as besides the fallout. Everything else is working fine for me. Today's foundation is Fenty Beauty in 380. So I'm gonna take my No Filter concealer again, and I'm gonna conceal with this. I'm gonna take the NYX Wonder Stick. And then, so I'm gonna go back in the Pro Face palette, and I'm gonna take, on this side we have some bronzers. So this is a light colored bronzer, and this is a medium bronzer. There's no dark. I'm taking that, and I'm just gonna go over my contour with it. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna go and use the color Fancy up here for my blush. The Pro Face palette did come with this brush here that I'm gonna use to highlight with. I'm gonna use Dazzle as a highlight on my brush, and I'm just gonna, So I'm gonna take the color Dreamy, and I'm gonna use that, it's a cream, and I'm gonna use that as a cream highlight on my nose, right here. This brush again, the Pro Face brush, and I'm gonna go and take the color Sweet right here, and I'm just gonna take the all in my bottom. I'm just gonna put in some eyeliner and my lashes and come back to do my lips. And just to finish it off, I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna take this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lipstick in the color Barracuda, and I'm just gonna put that over my lips. And that's how I got this look. I am actually really proud of the results, and I actually really like these two palettes, and I'm definitely gonna be using them in the future. For its price, it gives you a bang for your buck. And I love the colors that they come with, and I think I might even go out and buy more once I get money. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked this video, you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. You know, like, spread some love. We all want love here. We don't want hate. Say no to hate. Say yes to love. If you want to stay updated with my video, and if you want to watch all my videos and know when I upload more videos, then subscribe and click the bell button next to the subscribe button so you can be updated every single time I post a new video. Serious. Get on it. I'll wait. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.